What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to my first video of 2018. You guys all look great today. Hope everyone's having a great day. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and help me get to my new goal of 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. I know we can do it. Now, in my last video, I was kind of going over things that I was going to improve the channel this year with not only content, but with tech and everything else. And I wasn't snaking you guys. Why would I snake you guys? So, first thing is first with this video, I wanted to show you the new package that just came in today. I'm gonna set you guys down right here. Let's see if we can get a good angle. My new camera, the new PowerShot G7X Mark II. Super excited to have a new camera. It is gonna be my new vlogging camera moving forward. I wanted to start out the new year with a new camera. Hopefully my videos look better for you guys moving forward, and I'm super excited to be using it. So yeah, for the rest of the video will now be shot on this. And voila! I think I look pretty good. What do you guys think? Improvement or no? Let's check out the skyline. I think it is very good indeed, if I do say so myself. I have to get used to using it, but for now, I'm very impressed. And I'm already liking the autofocus and the image stabilization. I almost feel like I'm in like the 21st century or something. It's crazy. Anyway guys, now to the main topic of this video. Now this is a little bit different of a video than I would normally make, and I'm making this kind of video pretty much for one reason. Now, if you guys are longer term subscribers, you'll remember that I was doing car feature videos, and I still plan on doing car feature videos. It's just with the holidays and everything, everyone kind of got busy and it was really hard to, you know, get together with people. But don't worry, the car feature videos are coming back. Besides that, there were a couple people out there who had really neat cars, so I reached out to them and said, hey, would you like to be on the YouTube channel? You know, you can get your car out there, it'll make a cool video, it's all gonna be good, right? Well, surprisingly enough, from a couple people, I'm not gonna mention names, but they actually wanted me to pay them to do a review on their car or make a video on their car. And keep in mind, these were not Lamborghinis, Ferraris, whatever. They weren't supercars. They were very clean cars, but nothing crazy. And their main reason why they wanted me to pay them was because they thought that I was making a ton of money on YouTube. And even when I mentioned to them, you know, I just kind of started YouTube. I don't have that many subscribers. You know, I'm kind of just doing this for fun right now, guys. I don't do YouTube full time, so, you know, I didn't really see the big deal in it. You know, I didn't see why would somebody want me to pay them. It became into this little argument almost that, you know, I'm not gonna help you make money, blah, 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 even though it's like, I'm really not in this to make money. It would be great to make a little bit of money to at least pay for the cost of the videos and cost to modify these cars, because as you guys know, modifying cars, very expensive. So I just wanted to make this video and show you guys how much does a startup YouTube channel make. You know, right now I have like 420 subscribers. My videos get a couple hundred views. Overall, not bad. But I just want to show you guys how much money you can actually make, or how much money you should expect to make. Now, okay, so here is my main page. Let's see if I can get to focus here. Okay, so this is the main, you know, whatever. If you have a YouTube channel, you know what this looks like. So, you know, I have about 55,000 views. Oh, okay, I'm up to 450 subscribers today. Anyway, so you can see, you know, pretty much all my stuff here. Now, we will click on Analytics, which gives you the breakdown of everything once it loads here. Okay, so here is pretty much all of the analytics. As you can see, down here in the corner, it says my estimated revenue, $23.91. So for all those people thinking you're getting rich out there, or think mainly that I'm getting rich out there, I don't quite think $23.91 is gonna do it. I could be wrong. Anyway, so moving down, you know, you can see obviously, you know, what videos have done the best out of whatever. You know, Skyline videos tend to be popular. But anyway, I just wanted to make this quick video to show you guys that, you know, if you're gonna start a YouTube channel, just do it for fun, don't do it for the money. And like I said, that's not why I do it. But you guys shouldn't be doing it for the money if you're just trying to, you know, post videos casually or whatever. But This video is just to stifle anything that people think I'm making hundreds of dollars for each video that I'm doing. Clearly not. Maybe one day, that would be great, but that is not the case as of now, as you guys can see. So guys, the moral of this video is that YouTube has their own algorithm based on things like views, how long you look at ads, who clicks on your ads. You know, it's a whole different complex thing that nobody quite understands. So there is no set number that you can put on how much you make per view or how much you make per subscriber. That's just how it is. This is just a little informative video just so people out there don't think that you're gonna get on YouTube, make 10, 15 videos, and have a bunch of money in your account, because that's obviously, you know, not how it works. Anyway guys, I'd like to hear your opinion on this topic. Leave me a comment in the comment section below if you think I'm right or am I wrong for, you know, thinking these people are crazy. It could be just me. Anyway guys, don't forget to browse the channel and subscribe. We're gonna have a lot going on with the Skyline this year. Possibly even the Subaru, but that is gonna do it for this quick video. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you next video.